This program is brought to you by York County Library's Summer Quest, safe summer fun for everyone. Today's craft, paper cup squirrels. You will need a paper cup painted brown, brown paper or the template we gave out at the library, googly eyes, and a small pom-pom. Here's an example of what your finished craft might look like. First, gather your supplies. Next, cut out your templates. You should have 2 ears, a belly, and a paper tail. Turn your cup upside down and glue the belly to the center. If you didn't get the template from the library, you can make your belly out of construction paper. Next, we're going to glue on the ears. Keep your cup upside down and glue the ears to the bottom, or what will look like the top, of your cup. Don't worry if you have extra glue. It should dry clear. Once you have your ears in place, we're going to add a little bit of glue right above the belly. This is where we're going to place the nose. Finally, we're going to place the eyes above the nose. While the glue is still wet, you can make adjustments to where you put your nose, your eyes, and your ears. For our last step, take the long piece of brown paper that you cut out for the tail. Roll the paper so that the picture is on the outside. And then you're going to glue the paper to the back of your squirrel. This will be your squirrel's bouncy tail. Now you have an adorable paper cup squirrel. If you enjoyed today's program, visit our website or follow us on social media. Thanks for crafting with us.